In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Barclays credit card. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged into the Barclays app, the process is pretty straightforward. From the home screen, you'll usually see a notification that says Activate your card. Tap on it, and the app will guide you through a few quick steps. If you don't see the prompt right away, don't worry, you can manually activate your card by heading to the Cards tab at the bottom menu. From there, select your new credit card, and you'll find the option to activate it. You might be asked to confirm your identity using a fingerprint, Face ID, or your secure passcode. Once that's done, your card is activated and ready to use instantly. Well, that's how you activate your Barclays credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.